Hello everyone. So in previous video we have downloaded the Power BI desktop. Now we are going to see the overview of a Power BI desktop. So once you'll open a Power BI desktop, you will see this particular screen. You can see the first one is a blank report. As of now, let's click on the blank report. Once you will click on the blank report, right? This is the interface generally you will see. In this interface, you can see we have a option like it is showing import data from Excel, import data from SQL Server, paste data into a blank table, or use sample data. These are the option you can see. But suppose your requirement is like you want to add a data from a multiple data source. So you can see here we have one option, get data from another source. If you click here, you can see these are the many data sources which is available: Excel, CSV, JSON, PDF, Parquet, SQL Server. Like these are the multiple data sources is available, and all the data source you can connect. Like if you want to see a database, you want to see Microsoft Fabric, Power Platform, Azure, like Azure database you want to connect, all the kind of the thing you can connect from here. So that is the one option. One way is to select from here get data. Another way is like if you click here get data, right? From here also you will get all the option like to connect with the data source. If I'll show you here also it is opening the same. Now the third way is like one way is a get data, second way is a get data, and the third way is a, in a right side you can see one data option, right? In a data option also, if you select the get data, here also you will get the same option. So through three way through which actually you can connect to any data sources. Now in the left side you can see we are seeing the four view. One is the report view, second is the table view, third is the model view, and fourth is the DAX query view. Let's understand one by one. So one is first is the report view. So this particular screen you are seeing, right? This is nothing but this is the report view. So whatever the visualization you will create in this particular screen itself. Whatever the graph you want to create, whatever the visualization you want to create, you will create into this particular report view layer. Now second is the table view. In the table view, whatever the data you will load. So if I will load any Excel data, right? So that particular data actually you will see here. Suppose you have a multiple data set. So generally whenever we work in a company, you will see you will be having a multiple data set. So all the data will be available as form of the table. So all this table will be mentioned here in this particular screen you will see, and you will be able to visualize the data. So table view is nothing but whatever the data you will load, right? That data actually you will see in the form of the tabular format. So that is a table view. The third one is the model view. In a model view, so whenever we work in a company, it's very rare like we are working only in one data set. Generally we work in a multiple data set. So suppose as of now we have a three data set. Now how the relation between the multiple table, what is the primary key, foreign key, through which the each table is connected with each other, this kind of the relationship, this kind of the modeling view you will see into this model view. Suppose you have a two table, one is the employee table, second is the department, and how employee and the department are actually connected. So that particular view you will see into this model view. This also we'll explore more. And the fourth is the DAX query view. In the DAX query view, in a Power BI, suppose you had to perform some calculation, if you had to perform some transformation. So for that we have a specific language. That language is nothing but a DAX language. So that kind of the calculation you can do into this DAX query view. This also we'll understand. Now in the right side you can see we have a one visualization tab. In this visualization tab we have a different visualization option. Like you can see stack column chart is available, bar chart is available. Means all the kind of the visualization you will be able to see from here. You will be able to see from here. And right side you can see, right, and the data also will be shown here. Now suppose you want to create any chart visualization. So what you have to do, suppose I want to use this stack bar chart. So what I will do, I will double click. You can see that bar is coming here. Suppose I want to use this also is coming here. So like that actually we can adjust, like that we can adjust and we can create a view. So in the next video we'll try to upload a file and we'll try to learn more about this.